Hi, I'm John Mahon. I'm the Teagasc signpost tillage advisor, and we're here at a crop walk in Moors in Croghan in County Offaly. I'm here with Ger McCutcheon. He's the Teagasc pig specialist. Ger, just a very quick question on pig slurry. What are the values normally associated with pig slurry?
When we talk, John, thank you. When we talk about pig slurry, we usually talk on the basis of about 4% dry matter. And the value of a cubic metre per, let's say, with 4% dry matter, it would have 4.2 kilos of nitrogen, 0.8 kilos of phosphorus, and 2.2 kilos of K of potassium. And let's say the availability of those, then nitrogen would be 50% available. So for your 4.2 kilos per cubic metre, it would have a 2.1 kilos available nitrogen for your crop. Your P and K are 100% available. So, and the easy way to sort of, well, I'm talking in cubic metres, most people think in 1,000 gallons. So if you had 1,000 gallons of pig slurry at 4% dry matter, the value would be a bag of 19,720.
And at current fertiliser prices, what would that equate to in money terms?
Yeah. That would be worth 54 euros at current fertiliser prices. Now that's based on nitrogen at 2.17 €, phosphorus at 4.60 euros per kilo, and potassium at 1.66 a kilo.
Very valuable commodity.
Very valuable commodity and well worth using if people have access to it.